morning, guys. So, this is how I wake up, on most days at least. My alarm goes off for a couple of minutes before I hit snooze button at least 2 times, and then I find myself scrolling through Instagram till the end of the time. Please tell me you do this too. So, this is how I finally manage to drag myself out of the bed every day. So as you know, I like to start my mornings with some ACV, that is apple cider vinegar, with some warm water and some honey for sweetness. Hey guys, so I'm finally done freshening up. I had some almonds and some dates, and if you can see from my outfit, I'm actually heading out for a quick run. So I'll see you after I'm done. Bye.
Look up from your telescope, take me on this journey home. I don't wanna wait no more. Lay me down behind the moon, tell me you'll be on real soon. I don't wanna wait no more.
So for breakfast today, I'm having a egg sandwich and also some hummus on the side. And I'm so hungry, I cannot wait to dig in. Hey guys, so I'm finally done with my breakfast and I'm now leaving. I'm taking my mom out today. We're just going to go and buy some fish. So it's been quite some time that she stepped out of the house, so I think she deserves a small drive. And apart from buying fish, I'm also going to be buying some groceries and also some more things that I need. Normally we would always order either from D-Mart or Big Basket or be it any other app that delivers groceries, but today we decided that we need some fresh air, so I'm taking her out. So let's go.
We could be floating on a wave, as long as I'm safely in your arms, and it don't really matter where we stay, cause space makes me sad.
So I've reached the fish shop and there's a lot of people, but I'm just going to be waiting really far here.
Space makes me sad.
Coming to the store because they have a variety of collection of fishes, and they not only have seawater fishes but they also have freshwater fishes, and it's a nice collection that they have here. So in the store they're not allowing anybody inside officially because they have put a rope here because nobody's allowed inside the store, but there are people who are taking full precaution and cutting the fishes over here, cleaning them. And if you see, there are only the people who work inside the store are over there. So I'm having my fish cut there. So I'm finally done buying fish, and it took me quite some time because of social distancing, not many people are allowed in the store at one time. So we were all queuing up and we bought fish turn by turn. And it's really hot out here. I'm sweating so much, but I'm still not going to be removing my mask. I'm going to remove my mask only when I reach home and wash my hand with soap and water, and then only I'm going to touch my face. So I'm now going to be heading to the other grocery store where I need to get a few more things. And Mummy, are you even liking it? बाहर मजा आ रहा है?
बहुत अच्छा लगा.
बहुत दिन बाद निकले ना.
हाँ.
इसलिए. So obviously she'll like it. Although बाहर बहुत गर्मी है, but still I think it's manageable.
Yeah.
Isn't it? So let's head to the other grocery store. See you. So finally I'm done shopping for all that I needed from the grocery store. Sorry I could not film inside because they were not allowing me to. I went to Nature's Basket and I went to Star Bazaar. I got all the things that I needed, and now I cannot wait to head back home, have a good shower, sanitize everything including this phone, and then I'll see you. So I just finished my lunch some time back and I'm feeling extremely sleepy right now, but I'm not going to take a nap or just even lie down. Instead, I have to head out because I have some more errands to run. But before that, I'm going to be finishing my coconut water here. Hey guys, so like I told you, I would be going out to run some errands. So here I am, and I'm on my way to Decathlon store, which is in Thane, Godbandar Road. And I'm very excited to go in because the store is finally open after a very long wait, and I need to get a few things. So let's go and see. And the weird part is that today morning it was quite sunny and quite clear, but then it suddenly started raining now. So I was hoping to take some pictures out here, but let's see if that happens.
Thank you.
So finally we took our temperature checks at the entry point itself, and we are going in now to the parking. So for a weekend the parking is quite full. It looks like a normal regular working day. So initially I thought that the parking was full and that we would not get any parking place. It looked quite crowded, but when we came in, there is plenty of parking place over here. And the thing is that the social distancing norm is applied for the cars as well. It's quite cool when two cars are not allowed to park adjacent to each other. In fact, you have to leave a space between them. So it's quite cool. So these are the distinct social distancing norms which are even marked on the escalator here. So unfortunately, by mistake, I stood somewhere else. But since there are no people here, so it's alright. So actually, there's a very long queue outside the store in Decathlon. But thankfully, the queue is moving very fast. That is because there's a lot of space inside. The store is really big to accommodate a lot of people. Also, one more thing, a lady just announced that we also have to download the Decathlon app for the payment services, but more clarity on that I'll give you when I go inside. So basically in Decathlon we have to scan the barcodes on our mobile phone using the application and then pay online as well. So I got home around half an hour ago, and I'm sorry I could not vlog much because it started raining very suddenly and I had to keep my phone inside. So I'm back home and now I will be prepping for dinner in a while because it's Saturday night today. I'm making something really special. First things first, before you start cooking, always make sure you wear your apron. Let's start. So I cut a lot of onions today, and I just basically prepped some ingredients for momo. I had some minced chicken at hand, and I decided to make a large batch of momos and I'm going to freeze them. But that's not what I'm going to have for dinner today. Instead, I'm having a sandwich for dinner today, and this is something special because my mom's frying some kebabs. I'm just going to stuff it inside a sandwich and I cannot wait to show you the end product. So I have this bread here and I've put some harissa sauce over it. So I'm just going to put some lettuce on it. I have a mutton kebab here which I'm just going to break and spread this out. An onion, 2 tomatoes, top it up with some ketchup. Now this is like totally optional, but I really like it. So this is what my dinner looks like today. I have 2 sandwiches and some fries. So I'm just done with dinner and everybody absolutely loved the sandwich that I've made. I'm going to go and freshen up and enjoy another glass of wine. Since it's a Saturday night, I'm also going to be watching some Netflix. So I hope you enjoyed spending time with me. With this, we come to the end of this vlog. Don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe. I promise to be more consistent from now on, and do let me know what kind of videos would you like to see next. Till then, bye bye.